Hello and welcome to yet another Power Packed episode of Z Connect Season 2. Are you connected? दिल को दिल से चुराया आपने, दूर रहते हुए भी साथ निभाया आपने. कभी भूल ना पाएंगे हम आपको, क्योंकि याद रखना भी सिखाया आपने. ये शेर खास आपके लिए. We've been receiving a lot of wonderful words, feedback, comments from all of you, and we sincerely wanted to thank you all from our heart. हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि इसी तरह हर हफ्ते हमारा ये रिश्ता बरकरार रहे. And we keep continuing to help you stay connected. First things first, let's start with the front page.
Dubai Metro creates a new world record. It's official. The Dubai Metro is the longest driverless metro network in the world. The Dubai Metro has made it to the Guinness Book of World Records as the longest driverless metro network in the world, spanning 74.695 kilometers. This achievement is an addition to the one already made by Dubai Metro Red Line in September 2011, when it set a new record as the longest driverless metro line in the world at 52 kilometers. 5 Emirati women going on an expedition to Antarctica next month want to use their trip to change the misconceptions and stereotypes about women in the region. The 5 women are being sponsored by their employer, National Bank of Abu Dhabi, which will be led by polar explorer and environmentalist Robert Swan. Lifeguards report jellyfish swarm on Dubai beaches. Several beachgoers suffered jellyfish bites. As temperatures on the shores are warmer, jellyfish swim over, causing trouble to people who choose to enjoy a stroll. Officials have warned people from venturing into the sea because of the high tides and dusty weather conditions. Dubai added nearly 100,000 people to its population through 2011, indicating a post-crisis recovery that seems to be enticing investors, tourists and job seekers. From 1.905 million at the end of 2010, the population of the Gulf's commercial, business and tourism hub swelled up to 2.003 million at the end of 2011.
They say that the love of a family is the greatest blessing. And that is something we also strongly believe in, which is why we have dedicated this part of the show to you and your family. It's time for Z Family on Z Connect. तो चलिए देखते हैं इस हफ्ते एंड्रिया आप में से किसके घर पे है.
This is my favorite segment. I'm sure you all are waiting to find out who is our Z Family today. Let's get in and find out. Yet another episode, yet another family. This time round with the Chetwanis. Hi Manish, hi Bhavika.
Good,
Hi.
Good. Hi. I have a business, in fact 2 businesses. I have 2 offices here. I've been here in Dubai for 8 years and I stay here with my family. We just have him now as a new addition to our family and he's 11 months old. His name is Manav.
मैं तो अभी I think 2 years, it's going to be 2 years when I came to Dubai. We got married 2 years back. So I'm new to Dubai. And I'm a housewife just taking care of Manav.
It's a big job actually.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah.
Tell me, what does family mean to you?
See, for me, the definition of family came from my parents. I never knew what being close to your family meant for someone. It's only when I came out of that family I realized how attached I was to the family.
I was in India for a month and he was here for 15-20 days all alone.
So it was surprising to know that it's so difficult to even watch TV.
He is not a kind of person who cannot stay alone. He can. I thought that he would never miss us, and this time, like he said, I couldn't sleep because Manav and you were not there.
The first thing we remember about cable is Z. You know, we always used to remember that Z coming. तो मेरे लिए तो केबल टीवी का मतलब ही Z था पहले. I'll always watch the same channel which she is watching. Believe me, like she would never watch a tennis match with me, you know, but I would watch यहाँ मैं घर खेली with her every day. Yeah, it's value for money. I think you get to watch every channel screens maybe more than 10 movies a day, you know, so it's a good buy for us. I think the clarity of the channels is also like good. There are some channels which are not very clear otherwise.
Thank you Manish and Bhavika. Like the Jetwanis, if you wish to be a part of Z Connect, all you got to do is subscribe to the Z Family package or do mail us on zfamily@meraztv.com.
Well, it's now time for us to have some fun on Z Connect. Well, yes, you have guessed it right. It's time for Fully Fried. वही चीज जो हर हफ्ते आपके बॉस आपको ऑफिस में कर देते हैं. That is totally fry your brains. Well, this week we went to some people and we asked them to spell the word kaleidoscope. तो चलिए देखते हैं उनमें से किसने सही जवाब दिया और कितनों ने गलत दिया.
Kaleidoscope.
Kaleidoscope.
Kaleidoscope. C-A-L-L-I.
C-A-L-K-A-L-C-A-L-L-E-I-D.
K-E-I-E-O-S-C-O-P.
K-A-L-I-E-D-O.
No idea.
Kaleidoscope.
C-L-I. I don't know. D-L-O-C-O-U-P-E.
K-E-L-I-A-C-L-I-D-O-S-C-O-P. K-A-L.
Kaleidoscope.
K-A-L-E.
Now I've forgotten whatever I remembered.
No, I'm sorry. I don't know.
Sorry.
I don't know.
Using computer, we don't keep all this in head. So
K-E-I.
K-L-E-I-D-O-S-C-O-P-E.
K-A-L-E-I-D-O-S-C-O-P-E.
शो में बहुत कुछ बाकी है, but it's time for us to take a short little break. We'll be back. Until then, stay connected.